This looks kind of small. There's lipstick on my teeth. Oh my god, that's so embarrassing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Laquavia. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. So today, if you saw from the title, we're doing a first impression of Miss Lola. They recently this summer expanded their horizon. Now they have curve or plus sizes, so we're gonna deep in. I only got a little bit of pieces because they were kind of expensive, and then I was reading the return policy that if you use a promo code you cannot return, so only got like a select amount of stuff, and then we'll see how we feel about it, and then I'll let you know if I will shop there ever again. So yeah. Ooh. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like, and let's get started. And this is the first dress. I think this is called, I forgot the name of it, but I'll leave it on the screen. This dress, I got everything in a 3X. It fits nice. It's very snug, but it has like the ruching on the side. I'm wearing a shaper panty, and I don't think it's like doing that much. I mean, I love the color on my skin. I kind of like the drapiness up here, but it's a very sexy dress. I like the vibe. I might like turn it into a shirt because I love the drapiness up here. So I'm not wearing a bra, I do apologize. But yeah, this is this dress. I think it was like $33, and I used like a 30% discount. And I think it went to like 25 or something like that. But yeah, this is this dress. I love the material. It's just a little tight. Like, it's supposed to be a fitted dress already, but it's just, I don't know. It feels like a little too tight for me. I like my belly being shown right here. So yeah, that is this dress. Okay. And this dress is a favorite. Like, I've actually already worn this dress a handful of times, and every time I wear it I get so many compliments. It came with a belt that I lost when I was shopping, so that sucks, but I feel like you can still wear like any kind of brown belt and it'll be cute with it, or leopard will be really cute with it. But this is this cute sweater dress. I love this slit here. It's really cute. I love this dress. I get so many compliments every time I wear it to work. Compliments all day. You'll love this dress. It's 3X, pretty true size. I like it. Okay, and this dress is an absolute fail. Like, I cannot even zip it up, and if I turn around you will see my butt. So yeah, this is this cute skater dress. I actually got it because I saw it on a girl on Instagram, and we look like we're the same size, so I kind of based it off of her, but I can't even zip it up. It's so tight. Yeah, this does not fit cute. I love the print, but yeah, it runs so small. I got everything in a 3X. This is the same brand as that sweater dress, and it does not fit. Like, yeah, like I can't do anything with this dress. But I do have a Poshmark, so if you like shopping, or if you like this dress, and I think it would fit if you were a size 16, 18, I will link my Poshmark down below and you can buy it. But yeah, I cannot fit this dress. This looks kind of small to be a 3X, so we'll see how this goes. It is so fucking tight. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the shirt. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm wearing just good American jeans. It's so cute. It was so cute on the model. Like, it just sucks. It's so cute, but this, no, this looks so bad, and it's like so tight. Like, I can barely breathe. I think it's very inconsistent, which is really annoying. So if you are a size 16, 18, I will have it linked in my Poshmark below, so you can definitely buy it, because it's a really cute top. It's just, it runs small. Like, their website is so nice. Like, I love their website because it's very pretty and very aesthetically pleasing, but the clothes are not what it is. They're just, they run very small. So yeah, Okay, this is the last like clothing item I got from Miss Lola. I got some shoes that I'll show you guys in a little bit, but this is a bodysuit. I should have worn a different color bra, sorry. You actually don't even have to wear a bra with this because it has like the underwiring right here, so that's kind of nice, but like you'd have to wear like nipple cover so your areola's not hanging out, but it's a cute color. I'm not like blown away with it. It was kind of pricey too. I think it was like $35. Then you got like a 30% off coupon for some kind of coat they had on the line. But yeah, this is this bodysuit. I think it's cute. I wear it. It fits pretty true to size. Even kind of big actually, because it's kind of falling off right here. But their sizing is inconsistent, so I'm not sure if I will buy any more clothes up there, but let's get to the shoes. So I did pick up some cute shoes from Miss Lola. Like they have like a really nice shoe and accessory like selection. Like a lot of their shoes are like super on trend and kind of like dupes for like designer shoes. So I found these really cute Chanel dupes. They're like the Chanel PVC sandals that came out with this past summer. They're gorgeous and they were so freaking comfortable right here. I've actually worn these to work a couple of times and they were so comfortable. Like I walked out. They were so comfortable. Like I lasted the whole day in these shoes. Like I was super shocked because I did get another pair from them and they were not as comfortable as these. And I'm like obsessed. They're so cute and they remind me of those Chanel dupes. So super cute shoe. These cute ones as well. I have like a little foot pad here because these are not as comfortable as the other ones, but they're still cute. I like them a lot. So yeah, these are cute too. And I picked up these sandals here. These are actually too big. Like my feet are too wide for these, so I should have gotten a size 10. Usually in these sandals I get like a 9 or 9.5 because other pairs that I have, my feet were like flopping out of them, so I thought to size down and get a 9 in these, but didn't work. So I'll have these listed down in my Poshmark as well. So if you're interested in any of the pieces that did not work for me, look at my Poshmark. It's linked. Ooh, there's lipstick on my tooth. Oh my god, that's so embarrassing. If you're interested in any of the pieces that did not work for me that may work for you, I will have them listed down below in my Poshmark. So that's it for all that I got from Miss Lola. Would I shop there again? Probably not for the clothes, but they have some super gorgeous shoes that I just love. Like I already have a card because they're having a 40% off for Cyber Monday, so that I might include those in my Cyber Monday / Black Friday haul. So make sure you subscribe and check that out. So I'll probably have those listed in that haul there, but there's some cute Bottega. Why does it keep getting on my fucking tooth? And they have some, oh my god. They have some really cute designer dupes on there. Like there's a pair of sandals that are similar to like Bottega Veneta, I think that's how you say it, or in Tony Bianco. They have some really cute sandals on there, so I'm definitely going to be stocking up and getting that 40% off. So I mean, I feel like their curve works if you are a size maybe 12, because they have extra small too. So if you're up to a size like a small 20, their clothes will work for you. But if you're like over that, then I would just be very worried about what you get, because a lot of it runs kind of small. The sizes is very inconsistent, kind of like Fashion Nova. So just know what you're kind of getting yourself into if you want to shop there. But I would shop there again for their accessories and shoes, but very picky about the clothes that I get. So yeah, just putting that out there. And their returns, you have 15 days to return from when it was delivered to you. If you don't live in California, it's a California brand. And if you use the promo code, then you don't get to return. So yeah, and I would not shop on that website without a discount code, just because I don't think it's worth it without the promo code. So you basically can't return. So yeah, but yeah, Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like hauls like these, don't forget to give me a big like and a subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram. I'll have it right here if you want to follow me there. I do post there quite frequently on my stories, and also on my Snapchat. It's like very lit over there. I'm like always doing some kind of weird video. So if you want to follow me there as well, I'll have it linked down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.